What's the meaning of bottled? Bottled. Bottled.
Bottled. Bottled. When we say that something is bottled, it means that it has been put into a container, usually made of glass or plastic. This process is often used to store liquids such as water or soft drinks. Bottled products are typically sealed to prevent contamination and to preserve their freshness. Additionally, bottling allows for easy transportation and distribution of goods. In short, the term bottled refers to the process of placing a substance within a container in order to package and protect it for later use.